this video, I'll be sharing how you can find your style. Here is my previous work, and here is my most recent work. And if you already don't know, my name is Cami. I am a brand designer / strategist, and here on YouTube I do tons of passion projects as well as talking videos like this, talking about designer stuff. I would describe my style as bold, playful, colourful. However, it didn't start like this. Finding your style is a journey, and I've done a video on my journey, links above, but let's get started. So, step 1 to finding your style is exposing yourself to new inspirations. You have Pinterest, you have Instagram, YouTube, Behance and Dribbble that are wonderful social medias for you to find inspiration from. But also don't forget about books. There are books like Book of Ideas and Book of Branding that not only teach you stuff, but they also include images and of someone's work for inspiration. There is also designer books from blank, and there's a couple of them from different countries, for example from Japan. And there is a book set for like 5 of them or so, and they contain graphic design from that specific country. And I think this is a great inspiration, as then you're more exposed to what is happening in graphic design in different countries. This is on my to buy / read list, and I haven't read it yet, but I've heard very good things about it. It is also important to note that inspiration is literally everywhere. So you can find colour palette inspiration from plants, or you can find typography inspiration in signs when you go outside and look at things. Step 2 to finding your style is copying, and yes, I've said copying. And what I mean by that is literally copying every single thing that they've done. The way people naturally learn is by copying, and that is the best way to try new things as well. So the only thing that you shouldn't do is post it on Instagram or on social media or anywhere saying that it's your work. It's just something that you should do in your own time to just find your own style rather than showing it to the world even though it's someone else's work. But it's a good way to learn how to do something and how to mimic someone's style. The next step is self-analysis and external analysis. Have you ever heard of a SWOT analysis? This is where you analyze your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities and threats. This will allow you to analyze yourself as well as anything outside. This will allow you to know yourself better, as well as know the people around you and any competition around you better. So if you do end up finding an opportunity or a gap in the market, for example, if everyone is doing the same thing, you can go the exact opposite way, allowing you to find something new that you may like, and there is a clear gap in the market for it, making you very unique. It is also important to write things down that we like and dislike. It is naturally easier to write things that we dislike than we like. So if you write things like that you don't like the neutral colour palette, which is very popular, that is totally fine. And what you can do with this information is go the total opposite direction, so you'd go towards bright, colourful colours. Step 4, target audience. So we wrote down the things that we like and dislike. It is also important to have a look at the dream job that we'd like, the dream client, the dream project. And when looking at target audience, it's important to have a look at things like who are they, what do they like, what do they consume, and so on. It is all in the target audience, in the persona, as if you know who your target audience is, you will know what to create that will attract them, what they like and what they need, and this will allow you to find your style. Step 5, practice. Of course, practice makes perfect. The more you practice different styles, the more you will be exposed to these styles, the more you will know if you like it or you don't. And it's definitely a good idea to keep a note of the styles that you've tried the styles that you like, the things that you change maybe when you have tried the style. And most importantly, it's important for you to just do the things that you like. Like, through all of these steps, if you found something but you don't really enjoy it, then it's not your style. I hope that these tips have helped you, and it's important to note that style is something that you develop over time, and it does take time. So don't worry if you don't know your style just yet. It does take time. For now, I think you should definitely just practice, experiment, and just give yourself time. Don't stress about it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!